How to cash out stocks on Cash App. First, just open up your Cash App and tap the Stocks tile right here on your main dashboard. This brings you straight to your investment portfolio. Scroll down a bit to see the shares you own under the My Investments section. For this walkthrough, let's go ahead and select Apple. On the stock page, you'll see your current performance graph and a few big buttons at the bottom. Since we want to pull our money out, tap on Sell. Cash App will give you a quick breakdown of your order details, including any tiny government regulatory fees. Everything looks good here, so go ahead and hit Confirm at the bottom. Perfect. The shares are sold. You'll see a green check mark confirming the sale. Just tap Done at the bottom to close this out. Now, even though your stock is sold, that money's still sitting inside Cash App. To actually move it to your personal bank account, go back to your main banking tab on the left and tap Cash Out. Use the keypad to type in the exact dollar amount you want to transfer over to your bank. Once you've entered the amount, tap that big green Cash Out button at the very bottom. Next, you get to choose your transfer speed. Instant gets it there right away for a small fee, but for this tutorial, we're going to select Standard. It's completely free and usually lands in your bank in a few business days, in this case, by Tuesday. To keep your money safe, Cash App will ask for a quick security check. Go ahead and enter your personal cash PIN, then hit Next. And that is literally it. Your money's officially on its way to your bank. If you ever need to get your money back from a wrong payment instead, click right here to watch my guide on how to refund money on Cash App. Get you there.